Now, current, electricity. We'll start up with the concept of current here. Suppose we are having any two bodies here. This is positively charged and this is negative. But now you can say this is having positive charge and this is having negative charge, and you know the meaning of charge. Whatever body is having positive charge is said to be at higher potential. This is the concept which we take in physics. Higher potential or more potential. Positively charged, which is having deficit of electron and more of positive charge. The ones which are having excess of electron are said to be on lower potential. Right. Now, suppose whenever we are talking about, suppose you are with your friend and you hold the hand of your friend. The hand of your friend is hotter than your hand. So when you hold it, what happens? The heat transfers from hotter body to colder body. This is a hot hand. This is the cold hand of your friend. The heat will travel from hotter body to lower body. So hotter body is said to be at higher level. Okay. Similarly, if you are having water in two containers, no matter whatever the amount of water may be, the water will always flow from higher level to lower level. नीचे वाले कंटेनर में पानी ज्यादा भी होगा, but whatever is the level, the water is going to flow from higher level to lower level. Similarly, in the case of charges and when we are talking about current, whenever we are having two bodies in which one is at higher potential having more positive charge and one is at lower potential which we said is at having excess of charges, then if you connect this body with a conducting wire, what happens is that please listen very carefully, that the electrons, now the mobile charge is only the electron. The electrons, they keep on moving in a conductor. Okay, the electrons, they keep on moving. The movement in the charge which is in a moving state is the electron. As it keeps on moving, it leaves back the positive holes. So the electrons, they start moving from lower potential to higher potential, or in other words, the motion of electron, the opposite to the motion of electron is said to be your current. Here we are not talking about the electron. We are talking about electric current. So when the electrons, they go from negative to positive, the current starts moving from higher potential to lower potential. Okay, so this is what is known as your movement of current. Okay, so when we are talking about current, the current is simply defined as the rate of flow of charges or charge flowing per second. If I say charge flowing per second is defined as your current, right? After that, what is it? अगर हमसे डेफिनेशन की बात करें तो I is equal to Q upon T हो गया हमारा. Okay, so when we are talking about concept of current, the flowing charge through a conductor is called as electric current. Okay, and when for definition we define it as current is the charge flowing per second as shown to you here. So when we are writing it for current, we write total charge, total current के लिए total charge flowing per second. Okay, the unit for this is 1 ampere is equal to charge की क्या हुई coulomb per 1 second. Okay, so the unit of SI unit of current is ampere, which is again given by coulomb per second. Now, an electron, one electron has a charge of 1.6 into 10 raised power minus 19 coulomb. This we have done in class 9th also. So therefore, we can say that 1.6 into 10 raised power minus 19 coulomb has a charge or is the charge of 1 electron. So 1 coulomb charge will be 1 upon 1.6 into 10 raised power minus 19, that is 6.25 if you are calculating it into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. This relationship is also very important. That is, if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing, it means that this many electrons are flowing in it. Now, this does not mean that if we are talking of a wire कि इतने ही इलेक्ट्रॉन इस पूरे के पूरे वायर में. No, which means that every second this many charges are entering and this many charges are leaving also. That is, at a particular second, if you have 1 coulomb of charge, that means itne electrons are entering and itne electrons are even leaving the conductor. So 1 coulomb has itne electrons, and about the electric current, I have told you about the unit and the definition. After that, we come to potential.